In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Shared with Me in Google Drive. If your Google Drive Shared with Me section feels cluttered or difficult to manage, you're not alone. This area often becomes a collection point for files and folders from different people, projects, and time periods. The goal today is to turn that space into something more structured, so you can quickly find what you need without wasting time searching. To begin, it's important to understand how this section works. Files in Shared with Me are not owned by you. They belong to someone else who has granted you access. Because of this, you cannot fully reorganize or move them like files in your own drive. However, you can still manage them in a smarter and more efficient way. One of the most useful methods is creating shortcuts. When you locate a file or folder in the Shared with Me section, right-click on it and choose the option to add a shortcut to Drive. This does not move or duplicate the original file. Instead, it creates a direct link inside your own Drive structure, making it easier to access later. Think of it as pinning something important, so you don't have to search for it every time. Another helpful tool is the star feature. If there are specific files you access frequently, you can right-click on them and select the option to add them to starred items. This places them in a dedicated section where you can quickly find your most important documents without scrolling through the entire shared list. You can also adjust how you view your files to improve navigation. Google Drive allows you to switch between list and grid views depending on what works best for you. You can also sort files by name or by the most recent activity, which helps you locate items faster even though you cannot manually rearrange them in this section. Using these methods together helps bring structure to an otherwise unorganized space. Shortcuts, starred items, and better viewing options all work together to make your workflow smoother and more efficient. With consistent use, you'll spend far less time searching and more time actually working with your files. And that's it. You now know how to organize Shared with Me in Google Drive in a practical and efficient way that keeps everything accessible and under control. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.